Okay, so this question, this is of our type 4, and type 4 is our mensuration sort of question. Let's see. So question 6 says that a pipe of diameter D can drain a certain water tank in 40 minutes. The time taken by a pipe of diameter 2D for doing the same job is how much? So if you see the intersection of a pipe, it is circular in nature, right? This is going to be the opening of the pipe, right? So this is the cross section of a pipe, right? Because a pipe in reality is a cylindrical shaped object, right? And if you look at the mouth of this pipe, it is going to look like a circle, right? So we are going to use the concept of circle. The area which can be calculated of a circle is done by a formula of pi r square, with r being the radius, right? Radius of the circle. So while calculating the efficiencies of these pipes, we are going to consider this area of the cross-sectional circle of the pipe, right? Because the efficiency of those pipes are going to depend on the cross-sectional part of the pipe, and that is the circular shape, right? So let's write it for pipe 1 and for pipe 2. So pipe 1's efficiency is going to be proportional to the area given, that is pi, and the diameter of the first pipe is d. So you can write its radius as pi d by 2 whole square. And let's see the ratio of let's consider the ratio of it with the efficiency of pipe 2. So pipe 2's cross sectional area is going to be pi 2d, because the diameter is going to be twice that of earlier one, right? And if you divide it by 2, you're going to get the radius, and this is going to be whole square again. So this is going to come out at pi d square by 4 is 2. This is going to come out as 2 gets cancelled, pi d square. So if you look closely, these two pipes are having an efficiency, or you can write that their cross-sectional areas is in the ratio of 1 is to 4. So similar is going to be the efficiencies of these two pipes, right? So now we know the efficiencies of these two given pipes. We know that efficiency is inversely proportional to the time taken. So if 1 is to 4 is the efficiency, this is the efficiency, so the time taken is going to be in the inverse ratio. So that would come out as 4 is to 1. Alright. Now it is saying that for pipe 1 it is 4 units, pipe 2 it is 1 unit. It is saying that pipe 1 is draining it in 40 minutes. So this 4 is corresponding to 40 minutes. So this 1 would correspond to 1/4 of this 40. So this is going to come out as 10 minutes, right? So your answer in this question is going to be 10 minutes. So all you have done in this question is that you have considered the efficiency based on the cross-sectional area of the pipe, right? So there's the only logic that it is containing is that the efficiency is going to depend on the cross-sectional area of the pipe, right?
If you like my lecture, please subscribe to my channel. You can also provide me feedback in the comment section so that I can make the required changes and improve the quality of videos as well as the content. You can also join my Facebook group as well as my Facebook page, where I provide regular updates as well as regular PDFs and test on a daily basis. I have Telegram channel as well as Telegram group also. You can join those also. There I provide regular PDFs as well as regular tests. The name of Facebook and Telegram groups and channels is Success RBI or Success SBI. There's a mobile app also. The name of the app is Infinity. You can join that app, you can download that app, and that will allow you to take quizzes just like you take a quiz in the real scenario when you go and take the examination, the government examinations. So that will help you get a better idea and take regular quizzes of phase 1 for RBI as well as SBI.